Hi everybody, Lois Threlkeld here with another real estate strategy. What is turnkey in real estate investing? Well, in real estate investing, turnkey is like a shortcut to becoming a property owner without all the hard work. It's kind of like getting a ready-made cake instead of baking it from scratch. So here's how it works. Number one, ready-to-go properties. So turnkey properties are homes that are already fixed up, already renovated, and made all spiffy. They're like move-in ready, no fixing needed houses. Number two, investor friendly. So companies or individuals who specialize in turnkey real estate find these properties, they fix them up, and they make them super attractive for investors like you. Number three, hassle-free. With turnkey, you don't have to worry about finding contractors, overseeing renovations, or dealing with messy stuff. It's all done for you. Beautiful. Number four, cash flow. Love those words. Many turnkey properties come with tenants already in place, so you start earning rent from day one. It's like instant income. Number five, hands off. So since the property is already set up, you can be a bit more hands off. Not completely, but a bit more. It's a great option if you want to invest without that day-to-day management. Number six, location matters. 3 things to keep in mind with real estate. Location, location, location. So turnkey properties are often in desirable neighborhoods with good rental potential. They're in places where tenants want to live. That's what we want. We want nice homes in nice neighborhoods where nice people want to live. Number 7, investor network. Turnkey providers usually have a network of professionals who can help with buying, managing, and even selling the property somewhere down the line if you choose to do so. Number 8, time saver. Turnkey is like a time machine. It saves you a ton of time compared to buying a fixer-upper and dealing with all the renovations. Number 9, costs and returns. So while turnkey properties are convenient, they might come at a slightly higher price compared to buying a fixer-upper. You'll want to weigh the costs against the potential returns and your skills. Keep everything in mind. Number 10, research is key. Just like any investment, research is important. Check out the provider's reputation, the property's history, and make sure it aligns with your investment goals. Also, be sure to check with your attorney. Visit us at ladiesofjusticeleague.com and we'll get you help so that you have good advice, your contracts and documents reviewed, and all access to all attorneys all over the United States. So, think of turnkey real estate as like buying a perfectly baked cake. It's ready to enjoy without all the mixing, baking, and frosting. So if you're looking for a smoother entry into real estate investing, turnkey might be the delicious option you're craving. Just remember, take a big bite of research before you take a big bite of cake.